Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to add users to project roles here in Jira. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Jira, I need you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Adding users to project roles in Jira is a straightforward process that is an important aspect of project management and access control. Because for one, by assigning users to specific roles, you can control what they can view and of course within the project. Now, there are multiple ways for you to add users to a project roles. Number one is here, you see there's going to be an option about adding people to the labs. All right, this is going to be the project. You can put in the names or emails, and of course from down here there's a drop down menu wherein you can share the view settings, filters, and groupings, because you can limit user permissions, reducing the risk of accidental or unauthorized changes, protecting sensitive information, and ensuring project integrity. Now you can choose from an administrator, where admins can do most things like updates and add other admins. Members are part of a team and can edit and collaborate on all work, and of course, only viewers who are search through and comment on your teamworks. Now, I'm going to add a member. Click on add, of course, from there, just put in the email address or the name if you are already connected within the Jira platform. That's one way. Now, the second option is there's a option here that says project settings. There's an arrow. I want you to click on that and you would be forwarded here on the default assignee. Okay. In my case, I have only two options, unassigned and of course project lead, because you have to understand that this Jira account was just created for the training videos and I don't have an actual live account where I am working with multiple people, like multiple freelancers or clients. All right. But of course, if you do have, you would be able to have something like maybe, for example, you can put a user in a developer role because they are responsible for implementing and updating code. Well, maybe you can put in a tester role to focus on QA tasks. All right. The third option is just hover to the upper right corner where you can see the cog icon or gear icon settings. Click on projects because this is where you can manage your project settings, categories, and more. And you would be forwarded with this dashboard. Now, you simply click on the more actions. There's an ellipsis buttons. And voila, there's the project settings where it would lead you to the same option that we have earlier. Because roles can be used to trigger specific workflows or automation rules in Jira, such as assigning tasks to certain roles or notifying specific users when an issue transitions to a new status. Of course, as your team grows, managing individual permissions becomes, troublesome. So an updated role and users that roles are automatically affected. Now, if you encounter any problems assigning users to a project, you might want to go to the dashboard section here. There's an option where we can type in our question to see if you get an answer, right? That's one way. Or you can simply go to the customer help section and tell them you are having problems adding users in project role here in Jira. They would give you insights and troubleshooting steps to fix the issue. That's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.